What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Genesis G70 remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the 2024 to 2025 Genesis G70, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and we're going to remove this silver piece right here. That's done by pressing this silver button right here that my thumb's on. And then this piece will pull off of there like that. And we can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look in that space where this just came out of, there's this little horizontal slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. Can be a little bit difficult to see. You can see a little bit of a shot of it right there. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in that slot like that. Make sure you're pushed in as far as you can. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock, or twist the screwdriver rather, like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it starts to pop the shell apart. Once it's started, you can go ahead and pull the two halves apart with your hands like that. Once we get those apart, we can see our battery right here, and this battery will just slide out of this holder. Just slide up like that and out. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. That'll just slide into that holder like that. And then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. And then the final thing we need to do is replace this piece. So taking a look at this piece, it's going to go in here like this, but you can see the one side has this extra tab right here that I'm touching with my finger. The side with the extra tab will go towards the side with the silver button, and that'll just snap into place like that. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.